Hello guys, welcome back after a very long time. Because I was not busy, I was very lazy. I'm really very sorry for being so inactive, for being so inconsistent, as if you guys are dying for my video. But I'm sorry to myself because I was very inactive. I wasn't doing anything. I just sleep for the whole day, attend my classes and nothing else, and eat. And also I went on a trip, so I'll be posting a vlog of that trip too, so stay tuned for that. And before starting, I just wanted to thank you guys. Thank you so much. So yesterday I was walking in the campus with my friend, and a few of you came up to me and said that, oh, you are Tamanna, right? I have seen your videos and it has helped us. I like your videos and all, whatever you guys said. Trust me guys, I become the happiest. I am the happiest at that moment whenever any of you come up to me and say that you have seen my videos or it has helped you in any way. So thank you for that. And there is something which was going on in my head since a very long time, and I am thinking of doing that, which I'll be telling you at the end of the video. So watch the whole video. So this video is going to be a little different than the normal videos, than the usual videos, because here I won't be sharing any facts or datas, any dates or any advice. I'm not here to give you any advice. I'm no one to give you advice. These are just my own learnings, my own experiences in these 2 years of college, which I thought it might help you in some way or other. So here it is. So I have made a list of few points so that I don't forget any of this. So let's start. So the first point would be self-control. See, whenever we are at our homes, right, we have a lot of restrictions. We have our parents, we have our guardians, we have people around us to tell us what is right, what is wrong, what we should do, what we should not do. But as soon as you enter college, you get like a sudden freedom which you didn't have in your home. There's no one to stop you from doing anything except for some of your good friends if you get luckily. But most of the time there's no one to stop you from doing anything. So many students feel like doing everything they couldn't do it before because of restrictions. And by that I mean going into some bad habits. See, bad habits might differ for everyone. For me it might be smoking, drinking and all of that stuff. For you it might be something else. And college is a place where you get influenced very easily by your friends, by the people you are surrounded by. So it's very important to be very careful the people you are surrounded by, the people you are hanging out with. Don't get influenced badly. Like in college you have to be your own, like, you are all by yourself. You don't have your mom and dad to tell you that this friend is wrong, this friend is right, you should not go out with them. You will have to decide that what you have to do, what you have to not do, what you have to choose. You have to set boundaries for yourself. You have to know your limits. It's not for anyone else. You'll have to know that this is against my ethics, this is against my morals, so I'm not going to do this. It is going to affect me. And never do all this just to look cool. I don't understand why people do this just to adjust with some people, to adjust with their friends. Being uncool is very cool sometimes, I think. Oh my god, what a line. But yeah, don't do all this to look cool. You will regret it later. I have seen real transformation of some of my friends, some of my known people in college. Like that a reel can be made of their transformation, the what they were in their first year and what they are in their third year, like how they look, what has happened. So a reel can be made. So it's very bad. Sometimes it's very good also. It's not that everything is bad, but don't get into all this. Don't get involved in all this bad stuff, okay? So be very careful with all this. Then the second point would be, it is very important and I think it's a very good point, and I have not taken any of these points from ChatGPT or from Google. These are all my points, okay? So the second point would be pick a side hustle. In college, we have a lot of free time. See, I'm recording this video because I have free time. We don't have classes from morning to afternoon, like the whole day we don't have our classes. For some courses you will have, obviously, like medical and all. If you are going for that course, your timetable, your schedule is going to be very hectic, and I'm not aware of that field very much. But if you are going for engineering or like some basic courses like all this, most of the students have a lot of time. Either you have your classes in the first half or your second half, like the afternoon shift. So you have a lot of free time, and if you are someone who is interested in any side hustle, it could be anything: content creation, dancing, singing, painting, drawing, it could be anything. So it's a great time. It's one of the best time when you can start something new, or you can continue with your, what do you call, hobby. You can continue with your hobby, because see, I started in third year. You can start. One senior told me that I wanted to start it, but I couldn't do it, like this vlogging and content creation. So he's like, now he's in fourth year, so he is doing his placements and all, so he's busy with all that. So instead of regretting, just start. If you are starting late also, it's fine, but just start, because you have time. After fourth year or after your college, you might not have much time to do all this. For a few people, especially because, see, one thing because of which I started in third year now is because not everyone parents are very supportive. See, I'm not telling this from my experience and all. My parents are very supportive, luckily, touch wood. But after your college, most of our parents, like, and it's not even their fault. After completing your college, if you say that I want to start this, I want to do this, where you don't have like much surety. If you are saying for content creation, if I go and tell them after 4 years, after spending so much of money, that mom and dad, I want to do content creation, where there's no surety, what will I do after 1 year, or am I going to make money out of it or not? So there's no surety, and it's not their fault to not believe in me, right? Because I have already wasted my 4 years and I want more time from them. So if you start now, you will have time to build something, to be better at that, and at the end you can show that, see, I am very good at this, you can trust me with it, and I want to continue. So it's a very good point to convince your parents if you want to do something else. For those who are not interested in their course, and it's not mandatory that everyone who is doing something, like if I am doing engineering, it's not mandatory and necessary that I will be interested in coding. Everyone's field of interest is very different. So yes, third point, this is 6. So the third point would be, this is very emotional, oh my god. So the third point would be, you are going to lose friends. This might sound very cliche, whatever I am saying, but this is true. When we hear the same things from everyone, we are like, oh, this is copy pasted. But no, everyone faces all this, everyone experiences the same thing in their life. So it's the same for everyone, right? So let's start, और बकवास नहीं करते हैं. Third point would be, this is 6, no? Sorry. बहुत ज़्यादा excitement हो गया था. But the third point would be, you are going to lose friends. I know this is very emotional. I am really very sorry to make you guys emotional. It has directly come from the bottom of my heart. क्या हो गया है मुझे? But jokes apart, the next point is, you are going to lose friends, and it's completely normal. हर किसी के लाइफ में ये होता है, okay? Especially in college life, when you are going through the student life, when you are making new friends, it happens with everyone. It's not at all necessary that the people you hang out with in your first year are going to be your friends till your end, like your fourth year or third year, second year. We don't know for what period of time they are in our life, and it is very normal in college. After a few months you see people with new people. It happens. You'll have to be ready for this. Not every bond or every friendship or any kind of relationship ends because of fights. There might be multiple reasons: lack of communication, misunderstanding. You never know what's the reason. For everyone, it's different. Not at all easy, especially if you are someone who gets emotionally attached to people very easily, like me. But yeah, I mean, you are going to lose some of your very beautiful bonds, very beautiful friendships. But maybe that person was in your life for a specific time period, and yeah, that's the truth. We can't do anything for that. Be ready for that, and it's fine if you lose friends. Sometimes it's for your good. You'll realize it later that it was good. Maybe you made better friends, maybe you met better people. God's plan always better than our plan. The next point, which is money management. One of the very important points, because when you enter college, you start getting pocket money, like monthly. Most of the people get monthly, like me, my friends, the people around me. On monthly basis, we get some amount. For everyone, it is different according to your financial condition. Okay, so it's very important to manage your money. Some and I haven't yet, like, none of us have yet learned how to manage money, but if you learn it, it's going to help you. See, as soon as we get money, we feel like spending. We'll go to restaurants, we'll go to hotels, this and there, we'll spend, and then in 10 days our money gets over and we survive on mess food, which is a good thing. But learn to manage money for your whole month. Like, spend टुकड़े टुकड़े में, okay? Like, spend थोड़ा सा इधर, थोड़ा सा इधर, थोड़ा सा उधर, so it helps you. So the next point is very important, which is learn not to overshare everything with everyone. You might have a lot of friends. I'm no one to tell you that make one or two friends or don't make friends. You can have as many as friends as you can, but be a little careful while you share something personal, something private about your life, where you are emotionally attached to something and you are sharing that with someone else. So be careful then, because once you get into college, during college and after college also, you will have to decide on your own that who is your friend or what are you going to share with whom. Not everyone with whom you are hanging out is your friend. Remember that. You might hang out with a lot of people, but not every one of them have to know everything about your life. You can keep some of your things private, personal, because you never know if whether you are going to have that bond with that person 1 year or 2 year later. Yeah, and sometimes you don't want that other person. There's some random people whom you don't know, that they know your stuff, they know your personal thing, then it might hurt you, right? So for that, being a little careful is good. I'm not telling you to be careful on every step, in every step that you have to be careful while making friends, while doing this, while doing that, but college is a place where you learn a lot of things, where you make mistakes and learn from that mistakes. So it's fine if you make mistakes. I'm just sharing what I have learned and what I see, so that you make a little less mistake. Okay, the last second point, which is, especially if you are going to stay at hostel. See, you are every year or every time you are not lucky enough to get your desired roommate, or the kind of roommate you want. Few people are not very lucky with their roommates. They might have some personal problems, like some people have problem with lights. If you are studying late at night, they might not like light during sleep and all. So you have some kind of problems where you have to learn to adjust. You can't be like, I don't like, so you'll have to adjust. I won't listen to you. This type of attitude won't work every time, especially because you are at college. And he or she is not or someone who is going to listen to you every time. So learn to adjust. First you learn to adjust, they will also learn to adjust, and then adjust and be the best roommates. Then the last and the most important and the most exciting point, woohoo, which is go on trips with your friends and make as much as memories as you can. I haven't yet gone on a single trip, but you should definitely go if your parents allow. Please, parents, allow. What is happening? Boys are going, we girls can't go. In time issues, so many issues. Just kidding. But please, mom and dad, mummy, papa, it is high time I should go on a trip. Me and all of my friends have the itineraries, the thumbnails, titles, everything is ready except for the permission. You give us permission, we'll directly go to the trip. But yeah, let's get to the point, which is, see, you might have at least once heard in your life from the elders that college is the best time of your life. You should enjoy as much as you can. You should make memories, and I think it's very true. See, I haven't yet completed my college. I'm in my third year, but still I feel this. Me and my friends, everyone feels this because the date is coming nearer, like the college ending date. My college is going to end in 2027, and we can feel the pressure and sadness from now on that going to end. What are we going to do after that? So don't regret it, okay? Still, when me and my friends sit and look at our pictures and videos, what we used to do in our first year, second year, anything, the stupid stuff which you do with your friends, we miss it so much. We're like, when did we do this? It was so fun to do it, and just don't regret it. Enjoy your time, enjoy this 4 to 5 years of your life as much as you can. Go on tapri for chai, go to hidden places, explore places. I have a vlog of hidden place in Chennai, go and check it out. So yeah, जितना मस्ती करना है ना कर लो, एकदम मजा आ जाएगा. एंड स्टडी ऑल्सो, डू योर साइड हसल, डू एवरीथिंग इन कॉलेज. हर कुछ करो एक्सेप्ट फॉर बैड हैबिट्स. बट या, enjoy your life. You're not going to get this college life again. Third year, fourth year आते आते you are going to have a lot of pressure for placements, for jobs, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें for your future के लिए, है ना. तो first year you should enjoy बहुत ज़्यादा. second year you should enjoy बहुत ज़्यादा, उससे first year से थोड़ा कम. But do enjoy यार, have fun, go on trips, पर parents allow us. And yes, यही था. पता नहीं, whatever I said, does it make sense? If it helps you or not, I am not sure, but let me tell you the story behind this video. This was the first, like, the idea which came to my mind, and I was like, I am going to do something different from the vlogs. But I was so new, and मुझे ना बिल्कुल ऐसे आदत नहीं थी कि कैमरा के आगे इंग्लिश में बात करने की, ओके. सो इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी when I went to my home during this vacation. So I sat with this, like I had to prepare some, not scripting, but I wrote some points and all, okay. So I was not ready for this. When I do vlogs, I don't have a script to say. I say whatever comes to my mind, to my heart. It's heart to heart ka connection, no, through vlog. But isme I can't speak anything because it's going to not affect you, but you might learn something. It's for you guys, right? So it was very difficult for me. I remember I sat for like 3 to 4 days with this video. I used to start recording. I used to fumble so much. I still fumble so much, but it's getting better with every video. क्योंकि ये मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो होने वाला था, so I was very nervous and I couldn't record. And now I am recording this because I was like, I have to record this video, I have to post this video, no matter मैं कितना ही गंदा बोलूँ, मैं कितना ही अच्छा बोलूँ, I have to post this. So yeah, this was the video. I hope it helped you in some way or the other, and if it did, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and what else do you do? Comment, like, subscribe, share, definitely share, yaar. And yeah, So yes guys, last thing, I have been planning of doing a meetup with you guys, the first years या second years, कोई भी जो भी अगर मेरे चैनल को देखते हैं, if you are watching me, I am thinking of doing a meet and greet type of thing, but I was waiting for everyone to come to college because still many of you haven't yet come to college. So once every one of you come to college, like 8th is your date for class starting, so after 8th we can, if you guys are interested, if any of you are interested to meet me, we can have a talk. If you have any doubt you can ask me, we can enjoy, we can hang out. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. I will post a poll type of thing in my Instagram also, so follow me on Instagram for that, and I'll try to post it on YouTube also. So let's meet if you guys are interested. I am तो very much interested. So bye bye, बहुत ज़्यादा बोल लिया मैंने. Bye bye, take care and meet you in next video.